Video, I want to plot the line y is equal to 2x plus 5. So what we're going to do, we know that the y-intercept is 5. So where x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. So here x is equal to 0. So we put in the position y is equal to 5. And I click that on. So we have 1 point. We know that the gradient of the line, oops, what is it? My point didn't appear. Is it pointed on? Yes, it's on there. I know that my gradient is 2, so it means it needs to be, the gradient needs to, stay there please, it needs to, why is it not staying, 1, 2, 1. So here, if I put this point here, we can see that we had to rise 2 and run, so the gradient is rise divided by run, which is 2. Now let's see, we need to have a third point, so we have here, so the gradient still needs to be 2, so let's go down, 1, 2, and go across. So we've got that line. So we've got a line 3 points, and let's check that that's okay, and yes, it was. So let's have a look at the next one. What is the slope of the line? Okay, so now it's asking me, is it going to be a fraction or is it an integer? So let's have a look here. So we can see here the gradient between these 2 points. Let's start here at 0. So it goes from 0, so it rises 2 and it runs 1. So it's going to hold number, so it's 2 divided by 1 is 2. So, okay, let's have a look at this one. What is the slope of the line? Again, let's look for a triangle. So here we have a right angled triangle. So we're going to rise up to 3 and we're going to run across 1. So 3 on 1 is 3. The next one, they're asking again, what is the slope of the line? And they're saying, is it going to be a fraction or is it integer? But let's have a look. Let's see, it's going to, we want a triangle. So I'm picking this point here. So how many, we're going to go across. It's going across to 4 and it goes up, where does it go? So it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one is going to be an integer, a fraction, and you can see how it's giving you the fraction one. And we said it went up 6 and across 4. So that's, I need to simplify that. So it really would be 6 on 4. But that's going to give me, this can be simplified. So this is going to go to 3 on 2. Okay, and again, it's a positive slope. It's not negative. This one, let's look at this one. This is actually a negative slope because it's pointing in this direction. So here we want to do, let's have a look. I need a triangle. So here we're going to see, we're going to go across 1 and we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 4. So we're going to write negative 4. Okay. With this one, we want to plot the points again. So 3 points. So we know that the y-intercept is 4. So we put our first one at 4. We can see that the gradient is equal to 1. So it needs to rise 1 and run 1. It's going to give me that spot. Let's do the other one. Rise 1, run 1. That's going to give me that spot. Checking if that's okay. This one, the y-intercept is 6. So let's go up to 6. We can see that it has a gradient of 2, so we need to rise, the gradient is rise on run, so we rise 2, run 1, gives us 1 point. So we can see here, rise 2, run 1, that's going to give me a gradient of 2. How about next one? Rise 2, run, whoops, I lost my point, so that point was still there. Rise 2, run 1. That's it. Again, so we can see we've got an intercept of 6 and a gradient of 2. Okay, this one has a y-intercept of 0 because there's no extra value on the end. So it's going to go through 0, 0. It's got a gradient of 2. So I want to rise 2, run 1. Spot, rise 2, run 1. Okay. A intercept of 3. So we're going up to 3. right? So we're putting it at 0, 3. This one's got a gradient of 5, so we need to rise 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and run 1. Now I don't have any room left up here, but we can go down the other direction. So let's drop down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and going across 1. Again, it's a straight line. Okay, this one, it has an intercept of -4. So let's put on -4. We know it has a gradient of 1. So it is a rise 1, run 1. Rise 1, run 1. Okay, so and so forth. Here we're looking for, this is going to have a negative intercept. We need to work out how many across, what is our rise and what is our run. I hope that helps with the exercise today. Bye.